What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I just wanted to make this video because this is a pretty big topic when it comes to the F8X chassis. I've owned my car for a year and a half now. Since I've got it, it's making this, like, it has been making this ticking noise. It kind of sounds like a lifter tick, like a click, 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 click coming from like the exhaust camshafts out of the motor. I've done countless research, forums, checked everything, yada yada yada. I've been to, I would say, 6 dealerships to get it all checked out, like whatever the problem is with the car. But everyone pretty much has given me a clear saying that there's nothing wrong with the car, but clearly there is an issue, and obviously it doesn't sound like a normal S55. So I'll post a video below of the original noise that the car had been making for the last year and a half. And I finally got around to, after long research and trying to figure out what the solution is. This may not work for everyone, but I'm just throwing this out there just in case you're having the same issue, and this might actually help your case in point. The noise was actually coming from the exhaust camshaft. Somehow it gets out of alignment because of torque spec. Somehow I think maybe the bolts somehow back out slightly or some way. So the fix so far for my car, I've driven it for 2 days. I have not heard the sound anymore. Is having the exhaust camshaft retorqued to BMW specs. I don't know if it has changed from previous specs. Like, BMW has figured out that there's an issue because there's been a few guys who have actually gotten this resolved. So maybe BMW knows about it and they've updated torque specs on the exhaust camshaft. But I'll post a second video of the car, how it sounds now and how a normal S55 should sound. So if you guys are having this problem, I hope maybe this will help clarify something for you guys, and hopefully this will fix your guys' car as well. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. All right, thank you guys for watching. Until next video, later.